guys, this is race number 27, Porsche Cup, one of my personal favorite classes. Let's get the rest of our quarter marshals out into position.
Seconds to the start of the race.
Looks like we're still missing a couple marshals, guys. Let's get a marshal out there in the middle.
I thought you were the pink car.
And final.
You got the new yellow body.
And you're a good sport. All right, let's go ahead and line them up. John Hicks at the number 1, Narby at the number 2, Steve at the number 3, Ian at the number 4, Mike at the 5, Winston at the 6, Tino at the 7, Jurgen at the 8, Brett at the 9.
Good luck. Good luck.
Good luck. We all need it in this class.
Yeah.
Tino at the 7, Jurgen 8, Brett 9. Porsche Cup just about ready to start here, guys. Corner marshal, please pay attention. Good luck to these drivers. We're going racing in less than 5. And we're off and running with our Porsche Cup class in A2.
Oh my God.
Narb was our winner of A1. Yep, Narb won A1, so let's see what happens here. John Hicks out in front, Narb in second. And Ian in the 3rd spot. With cosmetic repair over here, we're clear. John Hicks out in front, Narb in second, Steve Cerruta in the 3rd spot. Our 4th place driver, 3rd place driver now, Ian Douglas. 4th place will be Cerruta. And 5th place is going to belong to Mike Carino now. A little bit of different rules in our Porsche Cup down south where we use the Hobby Week Just Stock 21.5 combo. These guys are using the brushed motors, included brushed motors, and the included speed controls. What a great way to get involved in racing, and the spec racing class, as I mentioned, kind of replaces Euro Truck. Euro Truck kind of fell off. This one's a bit more fun. The cars corner much better than the Euro Truck as well. And as I mentioned, TCS has created a Porsche Cup class, so if you guys participate with the TCS series, go check that out. It's pretty fun. Narb in second, Steve in third, Ian in fourth, Mike Carino rounding out the top 5. Two minutes down and 3 minutes left to go. Got 2 minutes down and 3 minutes left to go. John Hicks out in front by 3.6 over Narb, with Ian Douglas in the 3rd spot, 3.5 behind him. So John Hicks with pretty good size lead here for us in yellow and green. Coming up on traffic, we're clear. Coming up on the butterscotch. Narb in the 2nd spot, coming up on traffic as well. White and orange is second, guys. Narb getting around the traffic here, coming across the start finish line, coming up on Brett.
Oh my God.
3rd place driver, Ian Douglas, feeling pressure. Let's get Cerruta in that one Pereira. Ian in the 992.
Here you go, Ian.
Man, I wish my Mabuchi was that fast. All right, so Cerruta taking a barrel roll. Looks like Douglas still in the 3 spots. Cerruta in 4th and Carino around out the top 5. We're coming in through the center of the court. John Hicks.
Oh my God, I keep messing up.
John wins this one. We'll take it to A3 to decide the championship. Watch it on the backside. 1 minute and 15 seconds left to go. 1:15 left. Race leader getting through some more traffic there. How many times does he get past these guys? He's on an 18-lap run, and 8th is on a 14-lap run. So he passed that guy 4 times. Nar in the second spot, also on an 18-lap run. As a matter of fact, our top 4 all on 18-lap runs. Ian and Steve battling it out for the 3rd spot. Take a look at that battle down off the end of the straightaway. Ian Douglas back in from the center. Ian in the pink and purple coming across the start finish line now. And then Steve in the 4th spot across the start finish line now. So that's going to be a 2-second lead here for Ian Douglas over Steve. Coming up on Brett.
Thank you.
One more Brett. 20 seconds left to go. Here's our race leader. It's the race announcer, our local race announcer up here. John Hicks down the back straightaway coming up on Brett. And we're clear. Back in through the center of the course with 5 seconds left to go. And coming at the line, John Hicks. You're John with the win, 18.05 flat. Everybody else still advanced. White flag is down across the start finish line. We'll be done. Nar done with 2nd. Ian Douglas, you're done with 3rd. Steve close 4th, waiting on Jurgen.
It's okay, Steve.
And Jurgen, you are done. Let's race down here and shut it down. Going to be John Hicks taking
Good race, guys. Good race.
2nd, Ian Douglas 3rd. Steve Ruda, Mike Burrito, round out.
Sorry about that.
Good race. I tried, but I made mistakes. But it was good though. It was fun. Steve, good race.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was fun.
So like this section here, I'm like full throttle almost. I just maybe
Good
let go of
race.
the gas for a second.
Good race.
Whereas I think you were taking it almost